In this video, I'll show you how to create an unordered list in HTML without displaying any bullets. By default, when you use a UL tag, browsers automatically add bullet points next to each list item. But in many modern designs, especially for things like navigation bars, you don't want those bullets. Here's a simple solution using CSS. We add a class to the unordered list and set list style type to none. This removes the bullets. We also set padding and margin to 0, so the list aligns nicely with other elements. Let's take a look. With the class applied, the list appears clean and bullet-free. Now watch what happens when I remove the class. Suddenly, the default bullets return. This technique is perfect for navigation menus, or when you're styling lists as buttons, cards, or grid items and want full visual control without browser defaults getting in the way. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick web design tips.